Let's go walking with the folks. Come on. Come on. Don't worry about those dogs. Come on. Come on. Come on. Shelly been trying to get some exercise and she's been walking the dogs a lot. I'm running out of videos. Oh, look, this rose. There's another one about to bloom too. Lucy. There's a rose there. Another one blooming. I gotta put my troll cam back out. They cut the tree over here, the neighbor did. He cut the tree in front, the mulberry tree, and then he had to cut this because it was dying. We were afraid it might fall in the pool. Oh, tomatoes. A lot of tomatoes. Oh, look at the flowers on the watermelon. I bought a watermelon today too when we went to the store. Kind of like watermelons. I like watermelon better than strawberries, and I like strawberries. It's been quite a few hours since I used the bathroom. We didn't take them out at 10 o'clock like we were supposed to. We didn't take them out at yeah, just 10 o'clock. It's 1:03 now in the afternoon at Marcus P.N. now. Yeah, Shelly was going to walk them, but I said, I got to start taking some pictures, videos, because the folks is going to get mad at me when I don't have no videos to put up of them. I know not everybody watches them, but some people love watching them. They got one sticker admirer I know of. This other lady, she said, Lucy's so cute. So beautiful. She is too. Oh, it's drying out up through the ground. Yeah. Barkley, stop poking around. I call you Pokey. Let's see. How's my milkweed's doing over here? Those wild ones over there are still growing. Yeah, look at that. Milkweeds here I planted. And oh, there's one right there too. Barkley's pulling me. Let's go. Let's go, butthead. Yeah, I'm not going to let my watermelon grow as well as I did last year. I'm on it. Once the vines get so long, I'm going to trim them. Ooh, I'm going to water tomorrow anyway, but look at these leaves here on the front here. It is so dry out. Oh, forgot to show you the pear. I mean, yeah, the pears. See the pears. Peaches not big yet. And oh, there's some apples up there too. See that or not? Lucy, come on, girl. I'm just showing off the plants. Lucy, we got grapes. I like showing off the grapes. Barkley want to go bark. That's why we call him Barkley, because when we first got him, he barked more than Lucy. Grapes. I'm showing off the plants, doggies. Oh, the blooms are almost gone on these daylilies. They're going to have some more flowers, though. When's the one that grew? I don't think I see that one here. It's down there somewhere. Yeah, right there. That's the one I grew from seed. Oh, you're knocking the flowers off the hostas. Oh, I might put some more water in that fountain. Oh, Barkley, look what you did with my light. Oh, come on. Come on. Lucy, stop on your butt. Come on. Come on, Lucy. Come on. Come on, Lucy. Thanks to folks for walking with you. So thank you, folks. We appreciate it. We love walking with you. You. Trying to get Barkley undone. Thanks for watching, folks.